guys, welcome back to my channel Candy Perler Fairy. So today I have another amazing 3D Perler tutorial to show you guys. It's a very popular high demand tutorial, and you probably know it by looking at my thumbnail. Before we start, I want to show you my new made it avatar for myself. I didn't design this one, but I just feel a connection with her when I saw the pattern, because maybe the hair, like the pink color, light pink, the purple, like I just love everything about her. And she has the cinnamon roll on the top. It's like super cute. Like the longest time I want to find something that, you know, kind of be like my avatar, and then now I found this one super cute. So you may be seeing her in some of my videos just popping up to say hi or like hanging out in the corner. So she's gonna be here all the time. And I also want to thank you everyone for all your supports and love on my channel, my videos and my creations. Your support to me is like my motivation to continue making more videos and also like keep it up with my channel. And also I love seeing your comments and I read all of them. So feel free to comment below and let me know if you want to see anything. You know, I'll do my best. If I do have the pattern or if I have it coming up, I'll let you know. If you found my video useful, I hope you can give me a big thumbs up. It will be really helpful to my channel. And also I put a lot of effort into each video, and I hope that you really like them and share the content with your friends and family so they can get to learn about 3D Perler as well, and will be greatly appreciated. And then one more thing before we start our tutorial is that I love seeing all your creations. Thank you so much for tagging me back on Instagram story and your posts, so that I can share with others that they can make things that they like. And I think I got most tagging me back is the giant Pokeball. This is my favorite all time because I love it. It looks just like the Pokeball. We all own a Pokeball. And then I saw like different colors like blue, green, pink, yellow. Oh my god, I just love it. And you know that you can add the lights inside, and I saw the pink Pokeball that you added the lights. It's super cute. So if you haven't checked it out, make sure you do, because this one is so cute. So besides the Pokeball, this is one of my recent like giant one that I made. This is the Bubble Bobby, and I saw some of you already tagged me, but I love seeing your Bubble Bobby, and I saw a blue one as well. So if you haven't checked it out, definitely check out the video and build one for yourself. Alright, so let's come into today's tutorial. As you know, I did that poll on Instagram story to see if you guys want me to build the Sailor Moon charm or Tokidoki, and then here is the result. So today we're building Tokidoki, right? Super cute. I made this one. Let's put Sailor Moon charm. We're gonna save this one for next time. So I made this one a few months ago. I saw it somewhere online. I can't remember. I saw a finished product. So usually things that I really like, I don't have the pattern. So I have to kind of figure it out how to build it, and I made it. And I know a lot of you love this one. That's why, you know, the result comes to, you know, the next tutorial is this one. So I'll listen to you guys, and I made the tutorial to build this one today. And then when I was doing like, you know, search to see how to do my thumbnail, I came across with this picture right here. It's the Tokidoki geisha, and I was like, oh, maybe I can try to make one like that too. So this is how I came up with this geisha Tokidoki. Woohoo, super cute, right? So I just really designed this myself, and then I added the accessory, as you can see, and I also added a pearl necklace for her, just like the picture. So I'm really in love with this one. I mean, like, I love both of them, but right now I have I can't design, but I kind of like this one slightly. So comment below and let me know which one you like better. To show you how to build this one, and I hope with the pattern maybe you can modify it to something that you know, the type of another Tokidoki that you like. But if you want to build this one, stay tuned on my Instagram, because I just built this one. I don't have, you know, my own pattern yet, so I'm gonna find out what I'm gonna do and I'll let you know. But today, let's start it with this Unicorno Tokidoki. Let's go! If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, let's get started with the body, and then these are all the pieces that we will need to begin. Sometimes I always build with the body first because it's easier to build the body. So let's hold one piece, the piece for the body, and then this is gonna be on the back side for right now. So let's insert this piece on this row where you can see the holes. So take your time. Sometimes when we iron kind of like perfect, you know, we have to open the hole a little bit. All right, so this is the second piece to place it on here. So just slide through. All right, and then we're gonna go to the bottom first. So this is gonna be the piece to go in first. So you can see the first row that has the 2 holes. So let's insert it right here. All right, so one more before we go to the other piece. Oh, actually, these one too. So let's use this one, and it's gonna slide through right here. Perfect. All right, so then this piece is gonna come to the back. So let's insert it in right here. A little challenging, but I know you can do it. Yeah, just like so. Okay, now we can cover this one on the other side, just like this. Take your time and don't break the side pieces. Sometimes that happens, so do it slowly. If not, use the scissors to open the hole just a little bit bigger. Yay, I got it through. All right, so let's add the pieces to the back. 1 and 2, and the beautiful tail. All right, so right here, this piece will go in first. You can see the pattern fits perfectly, just like so. Okay, and then this one is gonna come right here. All right, let's come to the unicorn tail. So this piece is a little bit slightly different than the other two. These two are the same. So let's put this one in the center first. Just like so. And then the other two, see which one it arched more. Like this one, it kind of arched on this side. So this is gonna go here. And then this one is gonna go here. So we only have a few more pieces for here. Alright, so these are all the pieces that we have for the body. So let's get started with this one first. So this one's gonna come into the front, and it's, you can see right here, the 2 holes. So we can just slide this row in. However works better for you. Like you open it up a little bit and you can slide it too. Alright, so adding the leg. So you see this little connector right here. So let's go to the back leg first. So we're gonna hold up to this little connector right there, and then second connector, and then we're just gonna, I like this one better. We're gonna place this on here. All right, and then a little connector right here to insert it to the back. Okay, so let's finish this side. So here, this piece goes right here. And then this is the connector to connect these two. Oops. A little bit challenging. All right, let's flip over to the other side. Pretty easy, right? All right, so these two are the connector to insert it first. Just like so. Okay. And then place this piece over here. And then also connect them. So these two will be locking in. Oh. Yep. All right. One more step for the body. Right here. And then this one Let's insert it right here. Yay! We got the body done. So let's work on the head. Alright, let's get started with the head. Grab all these pieces to get started. This is gonna build the base of the head. So, and also if I'm going too fast, feel free to go back and continue watching it. So just have fun with me. Alright, let's get started. So as you can see, these two are the faces, right? So let's find all the connector to build the base. Okay, so this is on the left side, and then this is gonna be the connector for these two pieces on the front. So let's go in this way and then connect on the other side. Okay, we got it. Let's build the back. So this is the back piece. So it will go this way. As you can see the blue right here, so it connects with the other blue. So yeah, take your time, just like so. We got it. All right, let's cover the top. So this is gonna be the top piece. Let's see. It should be this way because the blue goes on this side. So let's connect it. Yay, we got it right. All right, so let's add in these two pieces right now. Let me see if it's stable, right? Yeah, let's just add this on for now, and then we'll see if they're gonna stay in place. That's the other side. All right, so far so good. Let's add the bottom. All right, so these are the bottom pieces. Let's connect them together first. This right here. So what I do is I slide these two long pieces in the center, like that. And then I'm gonna place this one on the top, going through these two long pieces. So you can see this is going to connect to the body. And then let's add these two at the bottom. Yay, just like so. Push a little bit longer so that later we can add it to the body. Maybe like 3 rows, and then let's add this to the bottom. Yay, we got it in. Let's add other pieces now. All right, let's add the front part where we can add the horn. Okay, so this is gonna be the base piece. Let's put this one, let me see. Yeah, so the horn is facing up, going through this one, and then it's gonna go to this one second. All right, so let's add these two side pieces, one on each side. Fits perfectly. Yep. All right, and then adding this one according to the color. So on this side is purple, this is still pink on this side. So just slide it in. All right, so we got the front part, and then let's add it over here. All right, got it. All right, this one is a little bit sliding, but when we add the back part, then it's gonna stabilize. Okay, all right, let's add the other parts. All right, so we got all these pieces for the back. I noticed that this one is will be moving around a little bit, so if you feel like you want to glue it, you can glue it later. So let's hold on to your Tokidoki and turn to the back. All right, so this is gonna be the first piece to go in first, just like so. And then this is the connector for the other two pieces. So we're gonna insert it right here. So then this one is gonna go onto the top, having this to go through this one. And then this is gonna be the last piece right here. And then adding this little one to stabilize the pieces together. Woohoo, we're almost done here. Oh, you know what? Because this piece should be going right here. How silly. Okay, got it. See, I know it's supposed to stick together. Okay, sometimes I make mistakes. All right, let's move on. All right, coming to the last part of the tutorial. I can't believe you already made it here. Oops. So I'm just trying it. So these are all the pieces left. Okay, so remember these are actually clear bead transparent. So if you don't have it, you can use other beads to supplement, like maybe substitute, maybe using white would be fine. All right, so let's see. Sometimes, so this is gonna be the connector right here, and then this is gonna be the connector to get onto the face, right? So let's try this one really quick. Okay, we got it in, and then this one on this side. All right, and then this is gonna be the piece to go in this way. Yeah, so leaving this so we can connect these two together. All right, we're done on this side. Let's flip over and go to the other side. All right, so let's work on this side. Let's see how it works. So we're gonna insert this. Let me see, or let's take the whole thing out. I think that will be easier. So let's connect the pieces first, right here. So then we can insert the entire piece at the same time. That piece is kind of loose, so you can use a glue to stabilize it. So here we got this in. Let's see. A little bit gap over here. Let me open it. So all the pieces are very easy to open, so don't worry. Am I making a mess? I just want to make sure that they're connected all together, and then put this one back. Looking good. And then this one, feel free to glue it. I didn't glue it, so I can show it to you guys how to glue it. All right, so we're done here. Let's bring the body back. Yay, we're ready to put them together. So slowly, because I already have been taking it out and in, so it should be easy to go in. If this is your first time putting it like that, try to use like a scissor to open it a little bit. So this way you will have your Tokidoki unicorn right here. Yay! Look at the little heart shape right here and all the colorful pieces. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you make one, tag me on Instagram story and I'll give you a special shout out. And then if you want to build the geyser one, stay tuned on my my Instagram. So I hope to see you next time. Take care and bye. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.